Hi, welcome, FreshieAboutTown here, and in this video I'll take you back to a trip I made to Ghana a couple of years back, and I was invited to a program held by ID James Brown with MJ the comedian and 100%, and it was a comedy slash spoken word program, and frankly speaking I did really enjoy myself. It's rather unfortunate I can't find most of the clips. The only things I can find is the spoken word bit, which I enjoyed and made me laugh, and then yeah, truly did enjoy it. So sit back and enjoy this few minutes of, it's an excerpt of the program that I attended. Hope you enjoy it.
100%, don't spell it the normal way. The U is replaced with an O, so HONDREDPERCENT. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, website, all the same. Thank you.
Yeah, he may spell it like a gun, 100%. Yeah. I'm ID James Brown on everything. If it doesn't work, put an underscore somewhere. It should work somewhere. I am a humor therapist. Makes me sound like I do something special. I talk trash for a living. MC events, militant.
Yeah, before I end it, I want to sound a bit sensible before I wrote this spoken word when I was sensible. Okay, so I would like to share it with you. Then I give you my handle. Alright, I call it time. A new day is born in the bright skies. New babies of Africa with new dreams, destinies, visions, and missions are born with the pride of Mother Africa shining in them. This is the time, oh yes, this is the time that we as Africans must stand, rise, and unite as one people. The time that we must clear the negative thoughts of others about we as Africans. The time that we must stand as people and leave the flag of Mother Africa high above the mountains. The time that we have to come together and stop fooling. This is the time. The time that you have to stop laughing and listen to me. I had wanted to be sensible, but this is the time. Alright, so my social media handle is MJ the comedian.
As with interest, Amos in my palm, sending a prayer out de-stressed, thinking about the blood he sucked from the various clubs. He met Sylvia, who hit the jackpot and screamed, "Hey, I'll kill ya." Hopped on to kiss the hand of pretty Matilda. He didn't have enough, so he went on to build a malaria mansion. Amos was the builder on Tiffany, who had an epiphany like Twilight and gave him a slap with the kinetic force. Amos is now in my palm, regretting that he's there. My name is A Mosquito drinking blood like Pito, skillful like Figo. I have a boss that kills all people. 10,000 Ghanaians, some infected on Ring Road. Fear my pace. I'm a disease without a face. So you killed Amos, but you shall never win the race. I am malaria. This poem is proudly sponsored by the mosquitoes of the Kole Lagoon. They say the pen is mightier than the sword, but is it mightier than the smartphone? Is social media a reflection of who we are in our own zone? Since the word rhymes, is that why we don't care about our ozone? Is layer a concept? A layer is a concept, but do we apply it to our own shows? I hear Photoshop makes us perfect, so are we now imperfections? Is everything nowadays going to be decided by elections? There are Decepticons around us. Can't you see the deception? When you look in the mirror, do you see your own reflection? Because your profile pic on social media says different. Your snaps, pics, tweets, comments all say different things about you in real life. Who are you trying to please? The selfies are too much. Who are you trying to tease?